Woo, 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 that's hot. Whoa. Yeah, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here. And today we're going to be looking at something a little risky called ring finance. So stay tuned. Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Once again, Johnny Switchblade here. And today we're going to talk about something risky called ring financial. So let's just get right into it, guys. All right, so here we are, guys. Ring.financial. So what is ring financial? They kind of take after Strong. So you're able to build these nodes and reap some rewards. So pull up their website here. So why do I say they're risky? So if you know anything about crypto, you watch, crypto news, stuff like that. Basically, if you're on Twitter all the time and you're checking out what's going on, you know that Ring Financial recently got hacked. So they were at, right before this whole kind of market crash, the market dip, they were at about $400-500, I believe. And then they got hacked, and then they dropped down to like $200-300. They started rising again. They went up a little bit. They started rising, and then they started dipping again. I want to say it's with this dip that they continued to dip. But anyways, they're super cheap right now. Just like Strong. You do need 10 tokens to get involved. But what they do have is they have a tier system. They have a tier system to where you can use 10 ring tokens to build one node. But now you can actually, they call it a gold node now. So you reap the full benefits, the 0.155 reward per day. And so, like I said, they have a tier system now. So they have gold, silver, and bronze. The silver level. Let me go take you right to it. I'm gonna actually go ahead and launch the app. I'm gonna connect my wallet. I actually created a couple bronze nodes. I'm gonna show you what they are right now in a second. So I have 4 of them. Just gonna go ahead and click create node. And so it kind of sucks on mobile. I'm on my MetaMask browser, and it kind of sucks on here. But basically, these are the tiers. So they have the gold tier, which I was talking about, where you earn 2,600% back. Right now, it's currently at $83 per day for one of these nodes. Like I said, 10 ring tokens. I don't know if I said Strong a second ago. But this is where your 10 ring tokens go. So 20% to future use, 10% ring BNB pool for rewards, 70% into node rewards pool, and distribution subject to optimization over time. So here's the silver level. If you don't have 10 ring, actually, I just want to say that ring, since this whole drama has been happening and the price dropped, I mean, it is dirt cheap to get involved in right now. I mean, if you're going to get involved, now would be the time. I don't recommend it only because it is very risky. So, I don't want you guys to lose money. That's why I'm taking the risk for you, and I'll let you know how it goes. But yeah, if you are going to get involved, now would definitely be the time. Looks like the silver nodes, they only take 5 ring tokens. They are earning 2,300% per day. So you are at $37 per day. So when I created my nodes, my 4 bronze nodes, I actually had 4 ring tokens, and in my Polygon wallet, I actually have enough. I had enough for another one at the time. I think it was about $300 at the time. So I opted out of buying that fifth token, and I just made 4 bronze tokens. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that real quick. So it only took 1 ring token. Right now it's only $150 to get in for a bronze ring node. So if you're going to get in, that's dirt cheap to get involved in the in the node game, guys. So, I mean, yeah, it's pretty wild. Anyway, so you're only earning about, it is at 2,000%, which is ridiculous, by the way. If you've been involved in, if you were investing in stocks or anything like that, you know that these returns are ridiculous, super ridiculous. So right now it's down to about 633 a day, which is still not bad. I mean, it's still not bad, guys. I mean, for your money not doing anything, it's not bad at all. It's actually super simple to create these nodes too. All you do is click bronze node. You have to have the Binance Smart Chain connected to your MetaMask wallet. You name your node. You click the disclaimer and you create your node, and that's it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what we got going on here. Currently, my rewards are at 0.24. I believe it's been like 2 days. Set this up 2 days ago. And here you are. So, yeah, each node is at 0.062411 minimum of my rewards so far. And yeah, it's not bad, guys. I mean, just like Strong, it does what it needs to do. Like I said, it's a little rocky right now because of the whole, you know, them being hacked. One of my buddies, actually, he has a theory that what if they hacked themselves before they got their audit, because they just got their audit, guys. So he was saying, what if they got hacked? What if they hacked themselves before their audit, racked up a bunch of mons, and then started selling their nodes at a discount? That's a theory. It's just a theory. I'm not saying that's what happened, but it was funny and entertaining. So I'm not saying that's what happened. But like I said, you know, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I am just showing you things that I'm doing and making money on. Like I said, I'm currently making, you know, about $6 each, $6.33 per node per day. So 633 times 4, I'm at $25 a day. You know, that's not bad. Not doing anything, not working, not breaking my back. It's 25 extra bucks doing absolutely zero. So if we just times that by 365, that's almost an extra 10 grand a year, guys. An extra 10 grand a year for doing absolutely nothing, just investing in ring token. And, you know, that's at the bare minimum right now. Like I said, this thing was all the way up to like $400 or $500 before all the drama happened. So I don't know, guys. It would be definitely a great time to get in if you're going to get into this token. If not, if you don't want to take the risk, just follow along, watch these videos, and I will keep you posted. So that's going to do it for today, guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below, do all those things that the YouTubers tell you to do, and don't forget to check out my book. It's more of a journal, and it's going to help you discipline your day. So go check that out on Amazon, link down below, and check out my new NFT drop, Brain Slugs. Link down below, check it out, and I will see you next time. So, peace!